Short Tigrinya Grammar, ሰዋስው Tigrinya, national or nationality adjectives. Country adjectives actually belong to the demonstrative adjectives. We thought that this would be very interesting for our dialogues. That is why we decided to create a separate chapter on this topic. Since our teaching language is intended for tourism and families, it is important to cover the adjectives relating to countries in this special chapter.
National or nationality adjectives.
ናይ ሃገርን ዜግነትን ቅጽል
In Tigrinya, country adjectives end in we, wheat, yen. Here are two examples.
ኣነ ጀርመናዊ እየ
I am German.
ኣነ ጀርመናዊት እየ
I am German. We can see here that, in English, the sentences are the same for masculine and feminine, but in Tigrinya they are different. There are two rules of thumb here. Before we move on to our main topic, let us review the Gaz alphabet. Take a look at the Tigrinya alphabet. 12/12 on this channel.
በ ቡ ቢ ባ ቤ ብ ቦ
First, country names in Tigrinya that end in first row or fourth row to form nationalities are given the suffixes we for masculine forms, wheat for feminine forms, and yen for plural forms. Second, country names in Tigrinya that end in the third, sixth, or seventh row have the final letter changed to the fourth row, and the relevant suffix is added. We for masculine forms, wheat for feminine forms, and yen for plural forms. The declension of the country noun. Eritrea.
ቅጽላት ናይ ስም ኤርትራ ኤርትራ ራ ራ ራብዕ
Eritrea in Tigrinya Ertra. The final letter. Ra. Fourth row vowel A.
ኣነ ኤርትራዊ እየ
I am Eritrean.
ኣነ ኤርትራዊት እየ
I am Eritrean.
ንሕና ኤርትራውያን ኢና
We are Eritreans. The declension of the country noun England.
ናይ ሃገርን ዜግነትን ቅጽል
In Tigrinya is Englis. Ending on the sixth row letter Z.
እንግሊዝ ዝ ሳድስ ሃገር እንግሊዝ
Country. England, UK.
ዜግነት እንግሊዛዊ
Nationality. English or Englishman, masculine.
እንግሊዛዊት
English or Englishwoman, feminine.
እንግሊዛውያን
British, plural.
ንሕና እንግሊዛውያን ኢና
We are British. We will study this chapter in detail in our dialogue lessons.
Follow and like the channel, and share with whom which wishes to learn Tigrinya.